Alright, so food trip today. Found this restaurant in San Juan which offers an interesting menu. They have lots of menu, parang all-in-one. They have Filipino, may sisig, may breakfast, may American, may Italian, may pizza, may pasta, may sandwiches, may burgers, may tapas, desserts, coffees, etc. etc. So, kinda curious kasi lumabas sa feed ko yung one of their dishes is yung one of their burgers na may melted cheese on top. So, they call it the lava burger, no? So, very curious about that. So, we're going in San Juan to try the restaurant with the family. I'm just waiting for wifey and Anika and we're headed there. So, see you in a bit. Alright, so welcome in Flossom Kitchen and Cafe. San Juan, along the road lang. So bahay siya na kinonvert into restaurant. Yan. So dito sa San Juan, marami na mga bahay na kino-convert into restaurant. So kaka-excite. Alam mo naman sa atin, usong-uso yung food culture in the Philippines is really alive. Ang daming chef na bago, ang daming nag-aaral magluto. And this one, they have interesting menu. And medyo fusion siya. So, let's see kung okay. So, this is what it looks like. Right. So, wifey is very excited. Last week pa naglalaway yan. Kasi medyo tight niya yung menu. So, this is the menu. It's complete. They even have tapas. Breakfast. Ayan. Mga French toast. Then, there's appetizers, of course. Soup, salad, yan. Si Mrs. mahilig sa salad yan. Numerous items on the pastas. But it's not that expensive. 500 peso, 400 peso, 300 peso. Tapos yung sandwich. Ayoko nachos. So, depending on your mood, kung breakfast ka pupunta, or tanghali, or merienda, they have a menu for you. So, numerous items on the sandwich. I'll have this molten lava burger. Ito yung nakita ko talaga that triggered me to go here, no? Kasi mahilig ako sa burgers. They have the pizzas. Tapos meron ding sisig. Ano yun?
Medium lang yung lava.
Medium. Ano medium? Size?
Hindi, yung sandwich.
Sige. Alright. So, this is how it looks like from the inside. Pretty cozy. Then, I noticed meron silang meatloaf. Bihira mo makita yan. Baked meatloaf, 380. And may sisig. So, all-in-one siya. May Filipino food, Italian, American, tapos fusion. So, merong sariling signature yung chef dito sa mga menu na yan. So, seems interesting. So, let's see if it is delicious. No? Wala pa masyadong tao. It's 7 o'clock, pero most of the tables are reserved. Dapat pala reservation dito next time. Hindi kami nagpa-reserve. It's a Sunday, and mas maganda pala nagpapa-reserve here. So, tip for you guys. Very interesting menu. No? Meron din silang... Ito yung gusto ko rin i-try, yung Angus Salisbury skillet. Hot plate, ano yan eh? Parang hot plate, pero burger patty. Pero nag-burger na ako eh. Then they have apple butter pork chop. So, seems interesting.
Parang gusto ko i-try yung cream paprika.
Meron ding cream paprika chops. So, mahilig yung chef sa pork chop, apparently. Dahil meron siyang three dishes for that. With his own signature style of cooking. No? Saka mura lang. 400. Pinakamahal na 600. Yan. So, Mrs. is having a hard time choosing dahil lahat gusto niyang orderin. Alright. Change position. Kasi kanina, andun kami sa may entrance. So, para dito. Kasi makulit to. Anyway, kaya pala Flossom, they do sell a variety of orchid plants. Ayan. So, yung ari mahilig sa orchids. Which is nice. Ganda. That's why Flossom. Right. So, si Mrs. still haven't ordered her main. Appetizer pa lang and starters. So, let's see. Mayroon din palang outdoor. Yan. Ito yung loob kanina. Dine-in inside. Then, they have the outdoor area here. Yan. Fresco. May al fresco. So, the place is nice. No? So, the first order of Mrs. Baked brie. Kung ano man yan. Ako hindi ko alam yan. Oh, it's cheese. Oh, cheese pala. Yan. Cheese. Oh, you wanna try cheese? Look, oh. Oh, very soft on the inside, though. Already arrived. Sarap? Ha? Masarap? Mrs. kasi mahilig sa cheese. So, ito yung una niyang in-order. Baked brie. So, let's try.
Brie.
Brie. Sorry.
Anong gusto mo recommend? Tapa or ito? Crab pero yung chili flakes, separate.
Bon appetit. Sarap ah.
Sarap, di ba?
Bagay yung honey.
Yeah. Mas masarap yung fig. Eh, wala silang fig.
Yung fruit.
O, fig jam. Masarap yung jam.
Actually, masarap siya. Great.
Ito.
So, the first order arrived. Truffle lechon pasta. How weird is that? So, truffle pasta plus may lechon kawali. Weird. Kaya interesting. No? Truffle kasi ito, mahilig sa truffle yan. Batang mahilig sa truffle. So, best of both worlds. Kung gusto mo na lempo, you can order this one, yung truffle. So, first bite of the truffle. Oh! Umatching ka pa. Yummy? Yummy? Yes? Yes. Oh, truffle kasi, kaya gusto mo, no? Ito na. The Molten Lava Burger. Sige, please. Ipo-pour nila yung cheese. Yan yung nakita ko na post. Kaya kami nandito. Grabe. So sinful. Buti na lang, nag-workout na ako kanina. Yan, naamoy ko yung cheese. Alright, thank you. Look, oh. Burger, oh. Burger with cheese, oh. Oh, sige, dito na. Sabay-sabay na dumating. Mabilis lang pala ang order. Yeah. So this is the meatloaf. Medyo ibasa na sa isip ko. Nasa isip ko nakaganon. Nakapak. Ito pala parang embutido style. Oh, let's see. So, sabi naman sa inyo, fusion yan. So, yung chef nila may sariling style of doing things. Nangalahati na agad to. This one I really like.
Yung bread din.
Ano may in-order mo sa main?
Tapa.
Tapa. Alright. Alright, so far I'm enjoying the burger, the lava burger. Medyo messy lang talaga. because I choose to eat it by hand. A burger should be eaten by hand, not by fork. No? It's supposed to be messy. And kung cheese lover ka, this dish won't disappoint. It's loaded with cheese, lava. Yan nga. Kaya nga molten lava. No? And I'm loving this homemade fried potato. Panalo. Then the next order is here. Pasta again, but tapas. Medyo dumadami na yung tao. And here. Yeah. Tapas?
Later.
Order si mami ng cake for you.
Good. Alright. Ito rin. The tapa pasta is really nice.
Very
Weird.
good.
Weird feeling. Lasang tapa, pero may noodles. So, di mo alam kung spaghetti o ano.
Masarap.
Pero that's what fusion is all about. It's all about creativity. And this dish is really something creative and new. So, if you want new menu, new taste, okay, this one is highly recommended.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour. Actually, masarap to. Done with my meal. Ay, nako, yan. Still eating. And she's still eating. So ako tap out na ako. I feel so greasy. Well, kasi burger yan. So the chef seems to enjoy cheese a lot. No?
Itong pagkain may cheese.
Dahil halos lahat ng menu niya may cheese. Loaded with cheese. Itong embutido, I was really expecting the big slab. Meatloaf, sorry. Expecting the big slab. Yung normal meatloaf na alam natin. But this one is quite different. No? Masarap naman. But yung pagka-slice niya, yung pagka-present is quite different. Parang embutido style. But it's good naman. Ano lang, nabusog lang talaga ako dito. So, siguro time for dessert. Kilala rin sila sa mga pancakes, I think. So, let's try them. I forgot to mention, they also have an oyster bar. Ayan. Medyo specialty din nila mga oyster. Oyster bar. They have an oyster bar. 50 pesos per piece. Wow. Nakita ko lang kasi doon sa kabila. They ordered. So, next time, siguro. Let's give it a try. Ayan. This is their oyster bar. It's all about seafood. So, nakakatuwa lang yung menu nila dahil sobrang daming items. And for a restaurant, it's really hard to manage huge menu. Siyempre, yung inventory nun, di ba? So, we're just waiting for the pancake strawberry and we will call it a night. Alright. I don't know if you can see the burger there. Chicken burger ata yun. It's really big. Grabe, heart attack. Wow. So, I think the pancake is here and it's really fluffy. Oh, the pancake is here. You want to see the pancake? Wow. Here. Oh, kaya pala matagal. Oh, look. Oh, all for you. Oh, di ba? Mukhang effort na effort. Grabe yung whipped cream. So, save the best for last. Having the first bite of the famous pancake fluffy strawberry.
Happy birthday daw kasi may cake.
Cheers. Sarap yung cream. So parang siyang Japanese pancake, no? Very fluffy. And I'm loving the cream.
Hindi ba siya heavy?
Sit properly. Sit down. Sit down.
So ito, bagay ito sa coffee. So I can imagine paghapon. Pag merienda, when you're having your coffee,
White coffee.
this complements it a lot. Sarap siya actually. Hindi pang breakfast, no?
Hindi.
Pang merienda. So parang iba siya. more on merienda type. Cup. Alright, so yung pancake strawberry is quite heavy. Kasi you've seen, medyo malaki siya. So,
Kaya ubusin yung isang tao.
mahirap. It's for sharing talaga. Which is good. Share kayo ng family mo, ng loved ones mo. So, this is the restaurant. Blossom Cafe. Blossom Restaurant plus Cafe. So, I can see why. Because lahat meron sila. May breakfast, may lunch, may merienda, may dinner. So, depending on your mood, they offer everything, which is actually amazing, no? It's pretty hard to manage for a restaurant. Their menu talaga is really extensive. Yun nga. Parang lahat pwede mong orderin. So, nakaka-excite when you're ordering because you just don't know what will you get. Diba? Parang yung lempo, ibang style ng lempo. Yung meatloaf, ibang style ng meatloaf. So, medyo nabigla lang ako sa burger. It's really heavy, especially with that lava cheese. Masarap naman siya, don't get me wrong, but it's really heavy. So, nabigla ako dun. Anyway, this is the restaurant and we love trying out new restaurants that we haven't tried. And this is one of it in San Juan. So, if ever you're in the area, you can drop by here. Check out Blossom Restaurant and Cafe. Ma-excite kayo sa menu nila. Good pricing, good ambience, and you just don't know what to get when you order, no? Great servers, by the way. Mabilis dumating yung mga pagkain, and they serve you well. There's a decent parking outside. And if you don't want dine-in, pwede kayo sa alfresco, sa labas outdoor. Ayan, so yeah, the food was delicious. Don't get me wrong. Nagustuhan namin ni Mrs. and we will go back to try more of their dishes. So, thanks for watching.